This is my 1987 Squarebody V10 pickup truck. I have been out here working on it today. I've got a lot of stuff done to it today. I got a lot more I gotta try to do while I'm out here. So this is kind of a video of what I'm doing, and you know, just showing you what's going on with the old truck. So let's get into it. And as you guys can see, I got the bench seat out of it. I got it out earlier. I wish I would have recorded some of me getting it out, but I didn't really think about it till now. So I'm trying to basically clean up all this stuff. This was under the seat when I got it. This is what I'm trying to clean up and kind of the work I'm doing today on it. I went ahead and yanked the radio out of it because we got a amp kit coming for the speakers so they can get pretty good sounding, get pretty loud. So I got some new 6x9s going in the doors. I got the amp coming, and then I got some headlights coming for it too. They should be here anytime, but pretty much this is just what I'm doing out here today. I'm basically just cleaning up everything that's kind of needing to be cleaned up on it, and it's definitely got a lot to do. So I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna post my camera up somewhere, and you know, y'all can watch me work, and we'll get into it. Perfect, but we're getting there. Little by little. I might need to get some carpet cleaner or something to put on this stuff. I'm not really sure yet, but one piece at a time. So as you can see, I got most of it off. I got a little bit more in the middle here to do, but for the most part, I'd say we're getting pretty good progress done. All right, everyone. Well, I got the majority of it. Still a lot more I need to do, but it's getting there, time by time. I'm pretty happy with it, so let me see if I can go through and get like a pad or something to wipe that off. But for the most part, I think we're doing pretty good. It's not 100% perfect. I still got more to get. Now I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna clean up under here too, but I gotta kind of give it a little bit before I start working on trying to clean all that up. I'm redoing the seat belts. I'm going to go through and do some black ones, and they're gonna have the black covers. So we're gonna do that. But other than that, it's not a bad job. Everyone, well, I found some stuff called Neverdual, and it seems like it's doing pretty good to get stuff like this off. So this will probably be the end of this video. We got pretty good progress done today. I mean, I got the seat out, like I said earlier, got the vacuum out, got it unclogged. It finally started doing pretty good. I still got a little bit more stuff up in here I'm gonna try to get because I want it to be spotless. So we're gonna work with that a little bit more. I'll get some more, more content out as soon as I can. Like I said, a lot of progress done today. I'd say it looks pretty good up in there. It looks pretty nice. So I'd say we've done a pretty good job, and that's about it. So y'all have a good one.